In this video, I will be showing you how to join the Shoppee affiliate program. So first things first, what is the Shoppee affiliate program? It is a program for sellers or any influencers such as bloggers, or TikTokers and social media personalities that are able to monetize their content by sharing products from Shoppee on their social media platform. Take note that if you are a seller, you can still join the affiliate program as long as you are still an influencer or a vlogger and meet the criteria. So the criteria to qualify for the Shoppee affiliate program is, first, you must have at least 1,000 followers on any major social media platform. So for example, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. And next is you must have at least one post in the last 14 calendar days on any social media platform. And third is must be based in the Philippines. So if you're from another country, it must be based from your country. So next, how to set up a Shoppee affiliate account. First up, let's just search for Shoppee affiliate program in your browser, and then it will pop up in your first result, and then just click it and then it will take you to here. After that, just click on enter and it will take you to this page where you log in your account, or if you don't have an account, you can log in. As for me, I already have my account. I will log in via Facebook. And then after logging in, it will redirect you to this page where it says welcome to Shoppee affiliate program. So you will need to fill out the affiliate account type, link your social media accounts, your phone number, your email, and your referral code if you have one. So for me, I am just an individual. You can choose whatever you want if you are individual or enterprise. And for the social media account, you must have the followers that they need, which is the 1,000 followers. So the more social media accounts, the better. Then put in your phone number. Next is contact email. After that, just put in the referral code if you have any. After that, just click on submit. After you submitted, just wait for 30 business days for you to get the email or the acceptance letter. So if you have the letter, you are accepted to the Shoppee affiliate program. And that's about it. That's how to join